What's going on, guys? Thought I'd just jump on here. Just got done flying my micro drone, testing out the Luma 55 that I just got built. I just wanted to talk a little bit about my trip to Taiwan. The first week was really good. We caught up with some friends and family, and then we decided to go up to Hehuanshan Mountain, and we hiked up there. Ended up collaborating with a Taiwanese girl from here, and she makes the most beautiful content. And I think on that trip, I've kind of realized that I need to concentrate on my art a little bit more. I love what I do. I think I need to hone in on and perfect it a little bit more. I want to get better at landscape videography with my drone. So I'm going to be flying the Mavic Mini Pro 3 at the moment. And I just want to get a little bit better at that. And then also storytelling with obviously YouTube. But I've just been feeling really, really good about what I've been creating. I feel what I've been creating is something that is more fulfilling to me, especially this long form content. Like going up to Queensland with Ricky and filming the rainforest and having like half of it rainforest adventure and then half of it just talking. I just really, really like that sort of stuff. And then Hehuanshan, obviously absolutely beautiful. So I do want to do maybe Tasmania in April, maybe the Milford Trail in New Zealand. There's a few things that I want to do either with people or solo. But yeah, I think honing in on my craft a little bit more and creating, it's like, I don't know if you guys have this, but when I want to create something, I have like a vision in my head and I can see things, like I can see see like the drone movements that I want, I can see the pictures that I want. I just have this overall idea of the art that I want to create, and if I don't create it, I think about it until I go and create it. So just like this mountain up the top of Taiwan in Jiufen, it's called Teapot Mountain. I didn't get to do that last time, but I've honestly been thinking about that for so long. So I'm thinking I might go up and do it, but if not, I'm gonna do a few other things around here. I wish I didn't get sick the last couple of days because it's really drained me. I don't really want to go out and walk around for hours. But anyway, so the plan is moving forward. I have just over a week left. I want to do a street photography video. I want to go out and burn a couple of rolls of film, but I want to try and take a few videos of just photos and videos of just some beautiful buildings that really represent Taiwan. But overall, I love this country. It's just, Taiwan is so beautiful, especially for hiking, street photography. Like, it's got absolutely everything. But yeah, anyway, I'm feeling like shit. I'm gonna pack up. I'm gonna go back, relax for a little bit, and then maybe get some city shots tonight, do some street photography, not sure yet, but I just wanted to share some of my thoughts around where I want to go and how I'm feeling at the moment. So yeah, anyway, talk to you guys soon. Peace.